Hey guys, Aussie Steve from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property that we're looking to purchase in LaPlace. We haven't got this property under contract yet. We're just checking it out right now. We're starting to look at a lot of properties in LaPlace. Obviously, Hurricane Ida was really devastating here, and it's really sad. There's lots of damage around and lots of homes that have been hurt. So, the market itself, everyone's a little bit nervous about it. Obviously, as an investor, how is it going to bounce back? Lots of people are leaving and selling, and what will happen to property prices? More importantly, what's going to happen to insurance prices, both flood and hazard insurance? They're going to go up, which affects the affordability of people buying the homes, which flows into prices. So, obviously, people are nervous, and we are too. But we're also, cautiously optimistic too. I mean, it is a good area. We feel it will come back. There is prospects of, building new levies in a couple of years' time. Definitely can't take that to the bank, but it's a good tailwind. So, look, we are looking to make a few investments here, take some of these houses that have been damaged and fix them up, hold them as long-term rentals, which is what we like to do often. We could flip them as well. I think flipping is a little bit more dangerous with not knowing what's going to happen. But if we can get it at a price where we can fix it, it's going to cash flow okay from a rental, then that gives us some certainty, and we can wait for the market to come back in the years to come. So look, we've seen a lot of houses like this. Obviously, it's taken on flood, so they've had to gut up 4 feet. And yeah, again, guys, it's really sad. There's a lot of people's homes that have been damaged, and we definitely don't like seeing this. From a lot of people that we're speaking to, what they're doing is they're taking their insurance check and keeping it, and then selling the property for cash as is to us. So it tends to work out, right? For someone who doesn't want to fix it up, the insurance payout is generally pretty good, right? Because it's done a lot of damage. So, they'll get a decent check from the insurance company. And then for us, we can buy it for cash in as is condition, so they keep the check, that's their money, and we buy the property in this condition. And that allows us to buy it at a price where we actually can afford to put the money in to fix it, make it a nicer home, and for us, we have better access to materials, contractors. So it's for us, fixing these things isn't as daunting to someone who's just a regular person who doesn't do a lot of home stuff, their home's ruined. They don't really necessarily want to manage a rehab, but for someone like us, that's sort of what we do. So it's a less of an issue for us. We can do it cheaper, we can do it with more certainty. So it can often make sense for that person just to take the insurance check, take our check, combine that to buy a new home, and then they don't have to worry about the rehab, etc. So they're happy. The insurance has really helped make that a good deal for them. And then for us, it's also a good deal for us, and we can come in and we can afford to fix it, and we can put our money, time, effort into repairing the house and hopefully the neighborhood. And then, we're going to get a good investment over the long term. So really everyone wins in this scenario. So that's what we're doing right now. So look, if you've got a property in the plage, we're definitely interested in looking at it. We buy all around, Greater New Orleans as well. So you're probably anywhere, but specifically, just the plage is obviously an interesting area right now. So guys, reach out to us. We're happy to chat about your situation. You can go to our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. There's a lot of information there about selling your house as is. Give us a call. We're always happy to chat. Just let you know your options, and it's just an option for you. All right, guys, thanks so much.